Yeah, probably. It's gonna happen in the sorry. Too much. Okay. Again, up. Lastly. There is no glass on the floor. There we go. And now it's time to have the this is the best part. So what I always preparing on advance is some water, clams water, okay, that we're gonna add now inside to give more flavor to the fish. And this is will be the base of our sauce. We can start to cook actually the fresh pasta because the sauce is ready. This is ready. Very important when we cook the pasta, the water should be seasoned. So you should have salt in the water because the pasta also should get the flavor of the seasoning, okay, from the water. So he's taking the seasoning from the water because your sauce can be nice seasoned, but your pasta don't have any flavor if you're not putting salt on the water. So very important to have salt in the water. The fresh pasta is gonna cook very fast. You can say 3 minutes you're gonna be ready. Okay. You can feel the flavor of the smell of the clams. Come out, parsley, garlic, Actually, the pasta needs 3 minutes to cook. After 2 minutes, I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna finish to cook inside the sauce. Very important that also the pasta is gonna get the flavor from the sauce. Okay, we have some flour. Yes. So, always very important to test the sauce to know if they need more salt or it's too salty also sometimes. For me, it's almost enough. You can have a test. You can add some more salt before serve it. The flavor is good, the taste is good. I think a bit more.
Look like
more
vongole.
salt. Huh?
Look like vongole.
Sorry?
Look like vongole.
Yes. You can see the fresh pasta is almost ready. For me, it's done. We can remove it. Then we finish to cook the pasta with the sauce.